Oh, in the Lambo. Yes, do a burn up. All right, you guys, this is the craziest car out here, man. A full carbon fiber McLaren Senna, my bad. Full carbon fiber. Oh, Jesus. Going on YouTube, back with another video, and you can tell, man, we are at the Eurofed meet, man. All exotics. It's gonna be super crazy. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and see a few of them, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man, because they got some crazy cars out here today. Got the owners' cars out, got McLarens, got Cadillacs. All right, check these out, man. We're gonna take a nice look at some of these GT3s and everything else that's out here, man, of course. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna talk to a few people, man, and we'll get going. All right, you guys, you saw it at the last meet, man, but OKQ himself, man. Crazy details, man. And of course, he brought out the entire empire right here, man. Have to see this clean inside. So big clean. Y'all can see the two-piece Fords. It's the detail. My bad.
You good, bro? You gotta get it when I'm finished, though.
Oh, I got you. I'm gonna come back. And y'all see this right here? This X5 crazy. Crazy.
Try hearing it underneath the overpass.
Oh, I heard it at the other meet when he took off. It's different. This titanium wrap, you guys. You can see it. Crazy. M3s for days. Man, there's some crazy cars out here that I like, man. Blacked out BMW. Look at these Boston. These Bostons are crazy. On an Audi RS3, that's clean. Got the Supras. Got an M6. Of course, man, Audis, BMWs, Zs, everything's gonna be out here. But I'm gonna look at some more of the cars, man. All right, you guys, you got a 765 LT.
I love this color.
Sheesh. Are you good? Got a Rolls Royce truck. I'm in the way of the Lambos.
But then again, you couldn't count these cars that
Oh, that purple's different. That's C8. BMW. Of course, like I said, all the STI or Ford Focus STs. You see they're still rolling in, man. Still rolling in. Got a TA. Got a Lotus. Oh, y'all check out the flake in the paint and the carbon fiber. Crazy. Color's clean, you guys. Color's crazy. We got a Viper. We got an SRT4 Neon. I'm gonna let all of these cars come back up my way. All right, you guys, this is the craziest car out here, man. A full carbon fiber McLaren Senna, my bad. Full carbon fiber, all in and out, man. Check out the windows, the double window wing. And this green one right beside it is his as well. Absolutely crazy. Oh, I'm sorry. Absolutely crazy details on that thing, man.
No, but I just saw it.
But of course, man, like I said, let's take a few looks, man. We got a Lotus, got a GT350. See what kind of horses it's talking. 819. That's big horsepower, man. Got another Lotus with Volsons. Check out the carbon fiber detail. This is clean. This is the best Lotus out right now. Best Lotus, even that one. Color's crazy on this one. Blue's clean. You can see obviously the rear engine on these things, man. Another McLaren. Crazy. Keep supporting my channel, man. This is what it'll turn into, and of course I'll take you guys along the way. Got a Z01. Oh, my bad, a SS. I saw the wheels. My fault, you guys. Real bars. Z01. Another GT550 or Shelby GT500. My fault. The man himself, you guys. Got a GT3 in the purple. Man. Got an SAMG. Got a Z01. Got the same Corvette from the previous meet, man. Again, here's the other CTSV in red. Wild, man. These two things, this is what I want. What I want, man. Soon, you guys, soon. But let's check out these Lambos that are up front. All right, these Lambos are the owners. As you can see, the green, super clean. Super clean green, man. We got blue. And of course the C8. Okay. Alright. Nice Porsche. Oh, we got a 1970 Charger RT. That's one of the rarest cars out here, you guys. V10 Aston Martin. That's cool. Got another C8. Got a, oh, that red, man. out these rims right here, you guys. This is crazy. Look at the dish on them. Look at the dish on them. I'm telling you, this is probably one of the craziest meets in Charlotte that they have, man. Years and years. The red Lambo. We got a Urus. I say red Lambo, my bad. Red BMW, I'm tripping. Got the matte Urus. Crazy. With the Volson 22s. Z01, man. GT2, GT3, I'm sorry. Only red eye in Charlotte. Easy, easy, easy. Check these out. Got an orange Lotus. Got a super clean GTR. This is what you guys saw on the way over here. All right, chopping Z06 himself. Super crazy. All right, you guys, I've been waiting to get this car on camera, man. This is Thick Whips on YouTube. All right, and on Instagram. Crazy details on this thing, man. Crazy details. Got the Ford's wheels. Carbon, Valvetronic exhaust, gold tips, man. You can see, man, this thing is out of this world. This is the only Supra that I drive if it looked like this, man. Super clean, man. Definitely shout out to Thick Whips. Check out that color M3, you guys. That's crazy. Yellow Porsche. Didn't get to show you guys, man. But this orange and the red from Porsche are perfect. But you can see, man, it is crazy out here. The amount of people that and the cars.
They just find like
This is cool.
And he got AG wheels.
Must be nice. Hey, two-piece, right? Yeah, two-piece. And a stand. Y'all see the red detail? Oh, shit. Business. Oh, that's clean. What do you do for a living? You sell cars? Oh, hold on. You like 12?
Oh, they're dealer cars.
Oh, dealers. Nice. Oh, look at the brakes. you guys, we got a Mustang Mach. Sorry, man. You good? You good? Sorry. Oh, in a Lambo. Yes, sir.
Do a burn up. You got a pretty car, I'll just tell you. I think
body. There's a lot of people out here. We gotta see what's going on. Got to see what's going on. No, sir. All right, you guys. Y'all saw a heck of a lot of cars, man. All the way down to a old school GTO coming up right now. GTR, man. Let me know what your favorite car was, because it has been absolutely crazy. Still got about an hour left. Then we'll kind of get in tune with OKQ and see what's going on, man. But about to head back to the car, see what's going on, and we'll go from there. Got a line of GTRs. That wrap is crazy. That green is crazy. Another crazy wrap. Man. Those rims are crazy. Got another Viper. Crazy blue. Got cam that says. Got 6.2 T. Crazy, man. I got this wild bike. Guess ain't nobody down there. Got some more cars leaving. But again, man, you see how crazy deep it is. It's been like this all day. All day.